Uh, ka Nifty na bandala shay kasngi kata kat pratering jong April arjar puwei kat kum ka price action habang apet ya ka daily time frame ngai ba last trading session ka Nifty kasna doji candle tiu new doji candle upelong yang bangan long uncomfortable lane nganum ngusuk lada nga going long apo ka market namar kat kum ka structure jang ka market lada ngipet ka daily time frame lane kat kum ka price action ngai ba kat ba ka market hi kam patik daw yo kat saw hajar kandai spa ban going long kalong highly risky kamtam meki positional traders ti ka market kadang long week mereka sushim support akini ki area jong ki kasaw hajar arspa san pau te yaman ta yo hi nga expect ba ka market kan trading hi ini range jong ki kasaw hajar kandai spa kasaw hajar arspa san pau ti na bantala shai ke sngi pat lada ngipet ma kat kum ka price action jong ka 15-minute time frames ngai iba ka Nifty hawa ke shim support akini ki area jong ki kasaw hajar arspa san pau nang ne ka Nifty ka sedang ban making higher high higher low higher high higher low higher high higher low kat kum ka doubt theory tangba last trading session I really don't like the market going long Laraday baki bull ki active lane laraday baki bull ki dan power hapo market last trading session kam day ban making doji candle type alis kala day ban move shajrong yes in the morning session ka try ban move up I was expecting market to break this area of 14,700 but it cannot nga expect ya ka market alis bakan touch ka sawajar prospa and recam touch tikani ka pelong doubt yang ka pelong artin yang bangan sanya ka market bakan baki bull ki active kani ka up move kala ban supin thame yang ki retail anda ngi ki retail ngila going long po market and then kan saham te lasha gas ngi in case ka market ka open around this area kala ban open flat lada ka break ini low ngatikna baka market kala ban poi shadu shakini ki area jong ki khat saw hajar sauspa lane khat saw hajar laispa san pho te in case pat shubo lada ka open gap down na kini ki area kala ban one ka up move tangba it will get stuck around this area and it might fall down te lada ko open gap up na kini ki area kan song support so kini ki area jung kasaw hajar news pa lada kamla ban sustain kamut kan hiar pat kan pause hang to in case lada kala ban sustain kini ki area pan kala ban touch kasaw hajar prospa tangba nganum going long la shagesngi I will focus more on shorting opportunity lani on shorting side nganap be ka market either ka open flat or either ka open gap down nganap be ka market lada ka open flat kede ban break ini area and then I will short lada ka open gap down nang nero nganap ka market kan touch ini area and then I will short that's it te ka Nifty bang ro abang ape ka Nifty bang ro kum jo hi kalong week te ya ka Nifty bang ro kala ban face huge resistance around this area of 32,300 akini ki area kala ban face huge resistance ke market te lada ka Nifty bang ro ka break you low you previous day low I will focus more on shorting opportunity but kala ban take support akini ki area jong ka life way hajar news pa da ka break you ne next support kandai shaki area jongu life way hajar ini first support undai life way hajar news pa lada ka break you ne next support undai life way hajar ka Nifty bang lada ka open flat ka break ulu ngan short ka market nang ne target hang tu. That's it. Lada ka open gap up ngan page ka market hang ne ka take support ne am hang ne tang ba nganum going long. Dale leru am. Kala ban should stay around this zone. In case lada ka open gap down nang kini ki area nga kala ban kiyo ka market tang ba it will get stuck here. Ti bahaban na going long, better focus on shorting side. We will try to sell on rally ladang yo saya kasi. Kan Nifty ro kadan support artli kata kadai ha ke area jongka ka 1000 arspa sanpau ka 1000 arspa anrupau utu di strong support but next support jongka Nifty unde he ke area jong u ka 1000 spa anrupau hakini ke area lada ka Nifty bank ka open flat or open gap down shubu open flat ka open flat nang ni ka break dulu I will focus and short the market and target hang to ka 1000 spa lada ka open gap down nganap ka market bakan kiyo sa jerong kanyat can face resistance around this area ngan sa short ngan target hang to da ka break yun next support unde yun in case of ka Nifty bank strong resistance jong Nifty bank I expect around this area jong ka 1000 news pa but how ka 1000 baru ni strong resistance jong Nifty around this zone ka 1000 praspa propau almost ka 1000 kandai spa te yamna tayaw hi ka market kala bandai ka sideways market the every rally or every rise we will try to short the market kata ngi di ban page pat da kila one ki confirmation candle kum ki bearish ping ba te ngi habat page hero kat kum ka structure jang ka market kat banang mi kis ngi tang ba ban going long ngam long comfortable na market daily time frame hi kalong very very powerful company yengi baka weakness karang dan po market tamakan mau tang away ba we will trade what we see not what we think because in the market trading is all about making money it is not about being right or being wrong but it is all about making money and understand the dynamics of the market and the structure of the market. That's it. So that's it for today guys and yeah, good night.